Hello, this is Blue Leader, and I'm talking to you from the third row of my Model X, the cleanest part of my car, because usually the third row seats are down like this. I plopped one of them back up, and it's a really clean place because the kids can't, or they don't come here and leave their little trash treasures of their snackins for me to discover. So super clean part, best part of the car. It's kind of like the living room in your house that you don't use, and then when you sit there you're like, oh, this is great, it's so clean. That's because no one's there. Anyways, thank you so much for hanging out with us. There are a few of you that actually watch these charger Byte magnet unboxing video thank you videos. So for you few guys that are watching the hardcore, thank you so much for the success of this channel, the growing, ongoing success. I still need a little bit of your help. I think we're at like 700, 800 subscribers. If you can, grab someone you know with a Tesla or that's interested in the EV world, or a family member, hijack their phone if you have to, go to their YouTube app and hit subscribe and say, you know what, Blue Leader is going to give you a magnet, all right? And I think I could do that for you guys. When I go out to promote this channel, I don't do it technically, I do it organically. I meet people at Superchargers when I make the Supercharger review videos, and I say to them, here, please subscribe to my channel. Here's a magnet. There's been a lot of magnets that I have passed out along the years. So here are the latest ones that I had printed. So the first one is of the Cybertruck. And as you can see, there is a factory matte black wrapped Cybertruck, which is really awesome. Tesla is offering wraps on their cars, especially the Cybertruck. So if you're wondering what it looks like in other colors, does it come in black? This is what it will look like. Now, the most popular, one of the most popular cars on Teslas, for whatever reason, is white. So if you're wondering what a Tesla wrapped white vehicle will look like, it's gonna look like this. Check it out. So check these out. Be on the lookout for me when I come to your neighborhood to give out these to you folks. Now, where am I going next? There are a lot of superchargers sprouting everywhere, especially in Southern California, California in general, Nevada. So I will be finishing out Orange County. I thought I was done with Orange County like a year ago, but more have sprouted up. 91 Kit commented, come review the new Temecula and Murrieta superchargers. I thought I was done with Temecula. I think now there are 3 superchargers in Temecula, so that I'm gonna go over there. Then I'm gonna go towards Northern California. Oh, I'm going to Las Vegas again. So for you Nevada fans out there, I will be heading out there in May. Videos to be published later on. Which brings me to this topic. Some people are concerned about sharing the Tesla superchargers with other vehicles. I've gotten a lot of feedback from you folks out there saying, you know what, if we share them with other brands, it's going to be super crowded. Where does that leave us to charge? We're going to have to be waiting behind not only other Tesla drivers waiting to supercharge, but other vehicles like Fords, Toyotas, Rivians, and so forth, BMWs. Hey, I have never seen another EV branded vehicle charge at a Tesla supercharger. I don't know why. I do have some theories, but I haven't seen them yet. So have you seen other brands of EVs supercharge at Tesla superchargers? If you have, please leave it in the comments below. And what city, what supercharger did you see this at? Because I have not seen that occurrence yet, even though technically they should be happening. So what are your thoughts on other vehicles other than Tesla's using Tesla's supercharger network? Thank you so much for hanging out. Next up, weather permitting, we're going to Orange County, Menifee, and Temecula. Then in mid-May, we're going to Las Vegas. Thank you very much. Please keep supporting the channel. We'll see you later. Bye-bye.